pair of linear equations. Consider the general form of two linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now, geometrically, what happens? Both represent straight lines. When we have two straight lines, there can be three possibilities. First possibility is that the two straight lines intersect each other, and the second possibility is that the two lines are parallel to each other. Third possibility is that the two lines coincide, that is, one line lies on top of the other. Now, this leads to some interesting facts. When they intersect, look at the point of intersection. This point lies in both the lines, so this point satisfies both the equation, which means that this point is the solution to this pair of linear equation. There is an associated condition that a1 divided by a2 is not equal to b1 divided by b2. So, we call it as consistent. Now, let's look at the second case when two lines are parallel. When two lines are parallel, can you think any point that lies on both the lines? No. That means there is no point that satisfies both the equations. So, this linear equation has no solution and we call it as inconsistent, and the condition a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2 not equal to c1 divided by c2. Now we take the third case where the two lines coincide. Can you find any point which lies on both the lines? Yes. There are infinitely many points that lie on both the lines. So this pair has infinite solutions, so it is called dependent.